There's a moment of truth. Let's start it up. See how she sounds. I am pumped.
It's taken almost 10 months for this exhaust to be ready to ship from Yoshimura. Let's pop this thing open and see what's inside.
This shit is childproof. Maybe it took 10 months just to pack the thing in. What's inside? Ooh. Okay, now how do you get to it? That was a complete mess. Total mess. Foam everywhere. But at least you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged in shipping. That's for sure.
Alright, let's get over to the shop and get this exhaust installed.
I dropped the bike off at the shop and I was told that it was going to be about a 3-hour wait until the exhaust was finally installed. So I hitched a ride back home with my lovely girlfriend and very impatiently waited. While I was waiting, I picked up a book called Anti-Fragile by Nassim Taleb. It's a book about risks that are hidden within the stability of our everyday lives and challenges us to rethink and reframe the way that we view and think about risks. Then I got the call that I'd been waiting for.
Oh man, this thing looks sick. There's a moment of truth. Let's start it up. See how she sounds. I am pumped. Woo! Yeah, buddy. This thing sounds bitchin'. Dude, I love the way this thing sounds. Ooh, super raspy. Nice baritone to it. Oh man. And it looks good. It's kind of tucked in under that swing arm like that. That's not sticking out crazy like some of those other ones I've seen. Full headers back assembly. Yeah, man. All right, let's get on the road. I feel like I've been riding this thing on silent mode for like 10 months. Yeah, this thing sounds snotty. A whole different energy when you get the exhaust put on. It just sounds different. It's more of a statement. Yeah, man, I am f***ing hyped right now. And it's not just because I've had 4 coffees and it's 1 o'clock. That might be part of it. I don't know. Yoshimura was worth the wait. That's all I can say. This thing sounds phenomenal. Like, there's a lot of other exhausts that are available right now, but they either look kind of shitty, like they hang way off the bike, which is a big problem for me because I really like the look of the factory exhaust, oddly enough. I don't know if these mics are picking it up, but just the throatiness of this exhaust is sick. So one thing that I can't stand on an exhaust is when it sounds tinny, like you get these kind of high-pitched notes, and for me, I don't like that. Dude, this exhaust has like a deep baritone to it that is just music to my ears, that's for sure. Although, you know, it might be a little loud, I can't hear shit, but yeah, let's go. This thing is sounding right. Damn, the way that thing pops. Yoshimura, nicely done. All right, I'll have a before and after video coming up shortly here, but guys, this bike, it's alive. She's sounding good. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go out and blow people's eardrums out. So I'll see you later, guys.